Starting around 02 July 2023, Bitgert in a real sense is exchanging at $0.00000024 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.76% in most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is genuinely critical. Brise truly has a truly complete market cap of $96,854,444, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,058,555, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This essentially makes Bitgert, Brise, especially positioning at 199 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert be really worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. Is Bitgert a kind of wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Which truly is genuinely critical. Will Brise cost outperform its unsurpassed high? Which most certainly is very critical. These in a real sense are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.00000032, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to sort of be $0.00000031. Besides, Brise can truly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.00000035 in a genuinely large manner. Brise value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Bitgert basically is determined to, in a real sense, be at around a sort of least worth of $0.00000024. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Bitgert value worth can sort of arrive at a by and large limit of $0.00000027, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.00000027 in United States dollars, exhibiting how besides Brise can, for the most part, arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.00000035, which generally is very huge. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation July 2023. The cost for Bitgert in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000026 and $0.00000029, which basically is genuinely critical. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000027, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Bitgert really is certainly anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.00000028, while the coin could exchange between and in every way that really matters, limit of $0.00000030, and an extremely least of $0.00000027, or so they basically thought. Bitgert value figure September 2023. The extremely normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could really go to $0.00000029 toward the finish of September 2023, which especially is very huge. Brise could by and large be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0.00000031, with the base expected cost of $0.00000028. Showing the way that Brise could essentially be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.00000031, with the very least expected cost of $0.00000028, which by and large is very huge. Bitgert, Brise, value estimate October 2023. The Bitgert, Brise, cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at the very least worth of $0.00000029, while the very most extreme determined cost certainly is around $0.00000032. The really normal cost for Brise basically is by and large anticipated to reach $0.00000030 in October 2023. Showing how Bitgert, Brise Value Expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Brise cost especially is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of $0.00000032. The normal for the most part least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be $0.00000031, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert Value Expectation November 2023. Bitgert cost by and large is supposed to reach between $0.00000030 to $0.00000034 in November 2023. While the extremely normal cost of Brise for the November especially remains around $0.00000031. Brise Value Gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitgert fundamentally is determined to be at around a truly least worth of $0.00000031. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, the Bitgert value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $0.00000035, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0.00000032 in United States dollars, exhibiting that while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0.00000027, which in a real sense is very critical, Bitgert most certainly passed value examination and the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been especially diminished by 2.53% in its extremely current worth, truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we especially think about the very current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which especially is very critical. Bitgert fundamentally is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Brise sort of is down to nearly 6.8% in the truly most recent 7 days, exhibiting that Bitgert value estimate September 2023. The especially normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could commonly go to $0.00000029 toward the finish of September 2023 in a sort of significant manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't actually feel that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, exhibiting that Brise value gauge June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Bitgert basically is determined to in a real sense be at around a base worth of $0.00000024.